Keyboard shortcuts are combinations of keys that provide an alternative way to do something that you typically do with a mouse. So in this video, I will show you some of the common keyboard shortcuts that will enable you to work faster, more efficiently, and with increased precision, thereby saving you time and improving your productivity. So the first key is Ctrl+C. It is often used to copy highlighted text to the clipboard. Ctrl+V pastes the contents of the clipboard into the current cursor location. Ctrl+X is typically used to cut selected text and save it to the clipboard ready to paste elsewhere. To reverse your last action, press Ctrl+Z. It erases the last change done to the document, reverting it to an older state. The delete key is a key on most computer keyboards, which is typically used to delete either the character ahead of or beneath the cursor, or the currently selected object. Shift+Delete will delete the selected files from the PC without moving it into the recycle bin. The file will be gone forever. Control, while dragging an item, copies the selected item, and Control+Shift, while dragging an item, creates a shortcut to the selected item. The F2 key is a function key found at the top of almost all computers, and the key is most often used in Microsoft Windows to rename a highlighted file or icon. Control+right arrow is used to move the cursor one word right at a time, and Control+left arrow is used to move the cursor one word left at a time. When editing a text document, try using Control+up arrow to move to the beginning of the previous paragraph, or Control+down arrow to move to the beginning of the next paragraph. Control+Shift with any of the arrow keys highlights a block of text. Shift with any of the arrow keys selects more than one item in the window or on the desktop, or select text in a document. Control+A is a shortcut key most often used to select all text or other objects while in a graphical user environment. The F3 key is most often used to open the Find or Search feature of a program or operating system. When you run an application in a console window, you can press Alt+Enter to switch the console into full screen view. Alt+F4 is a Windows keyboard shortcut that completely closes the application you're using. Alt+Spacebar opens the window menu of the currently open program. Control+F4 is a keyboard shortcut most often used to close a tab or window within a program. Alt+Tab is the common name for a keyboard shortcut that has been in Microsoft Windows since Windows 2.0, and this shortcut switches between application-level windows without using the mouse. Hence, it was named Task Switcher. Alt+Escape is a keyboard shortcut most often used to switch between windows in the order that they were first opened in Microsoft Windows. The F6 key is most often used to move the text cursor to the address bar in an internet browser. The F4 opens the address bar in the File Explorer and most browsers, including Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Shift+F10 key is a keyboard shortcut for calling up the context menu on the selected item. Control+Escape is a keyboard shortcut that opens the Start menu in Microsoft Windows. F10 key is most often used to activate the menu bar or ribbon of an open Windows application. F5 key is most often used to refresh a web page in an internet browser. Control plus Tab is a keyboard shortcut most often used to switch between open tabs in a browser. Control plus Shift plus Tab switches to the previous tab, in other words, the tab on the left. You can use Shift plus Tab or Backspace to remove an indent or to promote a paragraph to the previous outlined level. F1 opens the help screen for almost every program. And when pressed with no other key, the Windows key displays the Start menu screen. Windows plus E opens File Explorer. Windows plus F opens Feedback Hub and takes a screenshot. So if your computer is on a network, such as when you're at work, and you want to find a computer based on its name, press the Windows key plus Control plus letter F, then type in the computer's name and press Enter. Windows L locks your PC or switch accounts. Windows R opens the Run dialog box. Windows U open Ease of Access Center. Right shift for 8 seconds switches filter keys either on or off. It's usually in the upper right hand corner above the sysrec button and often abbreviated to PRTSC. Press the main Windows key and print screen at the same time. This will take a screenshot of the entire current screen. Shift Windows S. Press the Windows key Shift plus S to bring up a snipping toolbar and use it to snip a rectangle, something a bit more freeform, or full screen, and it will go straight to your clipboard. If that's all you need, you can take it from here. So that's it for the keyboard shortcuts. Thank you.